sings a melody true. I'm mastering the art.
This entire music video is made from a single photo and it's powered by Seedance 2.0 inside Flova AI. And this one too.
So this is it?
Don't make this harder than it already is.
Look at me. Please.
If I look at you, I won't be able to leave.
Then don't.
You know I have to.
No camera, no shooting, just AI. Let me show you how to do this.
You keep it.
Boarding for flight 712 to Paris.
I'll wait.
Don't wait, Dan.
First,
Live.
go to Flova AI. Link is in the description. Sign up and you'll get free credits instantly. Now go to the skills section and select music video. This is important because it's made specifically for creating music videos. Now I'm going to upload a song I generated using Suno AI. You can also upload your image that you want to create a video from, or you can let the Flova AI decide the character. Now write your prompt like I want to make a lip sync music video, so I'll simply write make an accurate lip sync cinematic music video male character. Under models, you can select AI model for image. I'm going to select Nano Banana 2 model. Then for the video, I'm selecting Seedance 2.0, the most powerful video model right now, and select Omni Human 1.5 for better lip sync video. You can also use skills. I'll leave it for now. Then hit generate. Then it will start processing everything carefully. Now Flova AI agents begin its multimodal analysis. This is where Flova really stands out. It understands the mood, speed and instrument used in the song, and then extract the lyrics with the precise timestamps. It doesn't just read your prompts, it actually listens to the music. It knows exactly where the breeze begins and where the chorus lands, which means the visuals can be mathematically synced to the beat. And yeah, this is the result.
Soft light falls across the screen. Dreams away.
Perfect lip sync, smooth motion, looks like the real music video.
Each adjustment feels like
Not only music video, but you can also create a whole video just using your script. Just click script to video, then upload your script. Now select the image model and video model. Now hit generate. And after replying few questions, it will start processing the video. Now here is the result.
So this is it?
Don't make this harder than it already is. If I look at you, I won't be able to leave.
And then simply export your video. There are some amazing features and tools as well. If you want to try it, link is in the description. You'll get a free credits when you sign up. So test it yourself.